The question is, in a workshop, the number of teachers of English, Hindi and Science are 36, 60, 84 respectively. Find the minimum number of rooms required if in each room the same number of teachers are to be seated and all of them being of the same subject. Here, to have the same number of teachers in each room, with all teachers in a room being of the same subject, we need to find the highest common factor, that is HCF. HCF of the number of teachers of English, Hindi and Science. For English, that is 36 numbers. 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3 and 3. That's 2 square into 3 square. Now Hindi, there are 60. So 60, 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5. That's 2 square into 3 into 5. Now Science. Science, there are 84 number of teachers. That is 84. That is equal to 2 square into 3 into 7. Prime factors of English, Hindi and Science teachers. Now we need to find the HCF. HCF of 36, 60, 84. That's equal to 2 square into 3. That is 4 into 3. That is equal to 12. Thus, 12 teachers will sit in each room. So, we get in a classroom, there are 12 teachers. Now, we need to calculate the number of rooms required for each subject by dividing the total number of teachers of the subject by the number of teachers per room. For English, there are 36 teachers and 12 teachers in a room. Number of rooms for English teachers is 36 divided by 12, that is 3. So 3 rooms needed for English teachers. Now Hindi, there are 60 teachers and 12 per room. Therefore, number of rooms is equal to 60 divided by 12, that's equal to 5 rooms. Now move on to Science. Science is 84 teachers and 12 per room. So number of rooms is equal to 84 divided by 12, that's equal to 7 rooms. So the total rooms needed is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 7. That's equal to 15 rooms needed for that workshop. And in each room, there are 12 teachers will accommodate. That's all in this video. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12. Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi Guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12